In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a remittance for a payment transaction. Sending a remittance can be an important part of keeping your financial records in order and ensuring that your transactions are communicated clearly to all parties involved. Whether you're doing this for your business or personal finances, I'll guide you through each step to make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's start by navigating to the accounting section of your financial management software. Once you're there, look for the Bank Accounts option. This is where you'll find all the accounts you manage, listed conveniently for easy access. Select the bank account that was used for the payment you're looking to address. This ensures that you're working with the right transaction and keeps everything organized within that specific account. Now that you have the correct bank account selected, it's time to dive into the details of the transactions. Look for the tab that says Account Transactions. This tab is your gateway to viewing all the transactions associated with this particular bank account. Each transaction will be listed in chronological order, making it easy to spot the one you're looking for. As you scroll through the list, keep an eye out for the specific payment transaction you're interested in. Once you find it, go ahead and click on that payment transaction to open up the detailed view. This will give you a clearer understanding of what this transaction involves and several options for how to proceed. With the transaction details open, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see an options menu. This menu is crucial as it gives you different ways to interact with the transaction. Click on the options menu and there you will find the selection for Send Remittance. Choose this option to move forward in the process of sending remittance. Before you send off your remittance, it's important to verify the supplier's email address. Double-checking this ensures that the remittance advice reaches the right recipient, helping to prevent any form of miscommunication or mix-up. If you want to receive a copy for your own records, simply add in your email address as well. This is a useful step for keeping informed about your transactions. Once you've ensured that the email details are correct, go ahead and click Send. This will dispatch the remittance advice to the specified email addresses, confirming that the payment transaction has been properly communicated. Remember, staying organized with your financial transactions is key to smooth operations, and I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process of sending a remittance clear and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.